Okay, we got the 2011 Roush. We got to do some work on the bumper cover and put a lower splitter on it. You can see something got into the bumper cover and chewed on it. Justin hit a raccoon, knocked the lower splitter off. So we're going to get it fixed up, get that painted, put the splitter back on, get it ready to go. Okay, we got the front bumper off. Gonna get the little spot fixed, get the splitter bolted back on it, get it put back on. Okay, we have got this seat, if you can tell anything about it, tore all to pieces. That's just the frame with the motors and the mechanism. Right there's the lower part. The upper part had a tear kind of right in here, so we sent it to the upholstery shop while it's out. We've got the frame and everything back working, so we're fixing to put this piece back on. But what we had to do is the motor right here that does the forward and reverse, it wasn't working. So what we done, instead of you can't understand, what I understand is you have to buy the whole track assembly. You can't just get a motor with that whatnot. So we took this apart, took everything apart, got to the inside of it, fixed the magnets. What happened, they had come loose from the outside wall, so we glued them back to it, put everything back together, and we're fixing to try it and see if it works. Okay, we're somehow going to try to hook this up, see if this works, and hold the camera. This is going to be interesting. Justin's going to hold the camera here. Hold up. Okay, try you up and down. Alright, try your forward and reverse. Looks like everything's working. We're ready to put it back in. Well, wait for the seat back to get back here. Put it in and try it out. Okay, we got the bumper fixed. Got the spot there where the dog chewed up on it. Got it all repaired. Got the lower valence on, splitter. And we decided, instead of when we fixed this spot here, having to paint the whole bumper cover red, we decided to kind of blacken that in and give it a little different look. We kind of like it so far. We're fixing to get it put on the car here and see how it looks on the car. So let's check it out. Okay, we got the bumper back on. Everything fits good. Looks good to us. We really like the black. Y'all comment below. Let us know whether y'all like it or not. We're just going to finish putting in the inner wheel well screws. Get all that little stuff buttoned up. And be ready to clean up. Everything's buttoned up. Got to give it a good wash job. We're thinking about replacing the decals. As you can kind of see, the rock chips, kind of, I guess rocks have chipped away at it, or maybe just the old age on them, I don't know. But we're thinking about putting new decals on it. That'll help it a whole lot. But the bumper's on. Lower splitter's on. Got everything all buttoned up. Good to go. See y'all next time.